Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TBLT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Friday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, some updates here need to be done. I will say this chart's relatively tricky to talk about because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, flipper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought there, maybe you bought right there, maybe you bought, right there this morning, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes. Well, then, yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking really bad. Now, if you care about the big picture of things, then yes, from the highs, there's been a large pullback. But from the grand scheme of it all, the price does still have the opportunity to chip and build a higher base. And that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. Just higher lows being put into play over extended periods of time. And that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into all this. And I'm not saying this is what's going to happen, but let's just say that the price actually comes down here to that 19-cent mark again. Again, not saying it will, but price comes down here at 19 cents. Behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there, you'd have lows there, you'd have lows there, and you'd have lows even lower than that. Now, emphasis here on the big picture. From the big picture point of view, what do you have under these circumstances? Well, if you envision these as stair steps, then from the big picture, you still clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And that's what the price does still have the opportunity to do. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader, flipper, and you bought right up around there, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But that's why I try to offer up a warning that I would be commenting on things from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.